afternoon, Ms. Mel. I must say that you have been doing an excellent job for managing this project.
Good afternoon, Mr. Shawal. Thank you. I have to ensure that all the project runs smoothly for all the parties.
That's what I admire about you. It's been a long time that we work together, so I want to offer you something.
Oh, what do you mean?
Proposition. If you recommend me for future contracts with your client, I can arrange a commission for you, let's say 5% of the total contract value. It's a little something to show my appreciation to you.
Mr. Shawal, I'm afraid I can't accept that. As the client's agent, my duty is to act in their best interest. Taking a commission would compromise my professional integrity.
Between us, no one needs to know about it. So I'm seeing that I'm one of the trusted contractor in this region. So you'll be doing the client a favor by commending me.
Mr. Shawal, while I appreciate your confidence in your work, this kind of arrangement is unethical and could create a conflict of interest. My job is to ensure transparency, and I can't read.
To be honest, it happens more often than you think, and you did the right one. Are you planning to inform to the client?
Yes, I believe it's important to disclose this to maintain the transparency. The client needs to be aware, especially since this contractor might work with them in the future.
Yes, I agree, and just ensure that you communicate everything, and that way, if there are any issues along the line, you are protected.
Good morning, Mr. Dean. I wanted to bring something to your attention regarding the contractor, Mr. Shawal.
Good morning, Ismail. What is the issue?
Mr. Shawal approached me with an offer of a commission in exchange for recommending him for future contract. I immediately declined, as it would compromise my role as your agent.
That is concerning. I appreciate your honesty. Do you believe this will impact our project?
So far, his work has met the required standards, and I will continue to monitor it closely. However, I recommend maintaining an open tender process for future projects to ensure fairness and transparency.
Thank you for handling this.
Our working relationship.
Our relationship remains professional as long as the focus stays on delivering quality work. I trust there won't be any further misunderstandings about ethical boundaries.
Understood. I apologize for the suggestion that it won't happen again.
I appreciate your understanding, Mr. Shawal. Let's move forward and focus on completing this project on the highest standards.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Bye.